Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This morning I am making an egg veggie wrap. Here we go. Sauteing up some mushrooms, spinach, and baby sweet peppers with a little bit of olive oil cooking spray. To that, I'm adding 1 egg and 2 egg whites. And I scramble this up just to where I like it done. Obviously, you can do it however you want. But this is a great way to get in some greens, some protein, some healthy fat, and I cannot wait to put this together. Now, as you know, I did start the 4-2-1 plan, so I'm going to show you the pita bread that I bought. This is something that I got at Aldi. This is the white pita bread, and I'm going to show you the macros. This is 90 calories for half. I'm going to do a whole. This is a pack of Laughing Cow light wedges that I got at BJ's, and I'm going to spread 1 of them on top of this pita bread that I did put in the air fryer for just about a minute, just to brown it up and toast it a little bit. Adding on the egg scramble, and doesn't that look good? I can't wait to eat this. So I'm going to roll it up kind of like a wrap would be, cut it in half, and here's the final result. This, a cup of coffee, and I am going to enjoy my breakfast beyond belief. This is my first meal of the day. I'm going to go a little bit backwards. I am going to go to the gym shortly, so I wanted to have something in my stomach. And here it is. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you at the next mealtime. So we're out for our daily walk, the girls and I, on this quite chilly day, I have to say. Started off beautiful sunshine, and then it got a little cloudy, as you can see. Wearing some exercise clothes today, leggings, little jacket, sweatshirt, hat, trying to keep warm. Anyway, I want to talk to you about the first Lean & Green. It was delicious, and I know by reading on the 4-2-1 booklet that maybe that pita wasn't the best option, but it was good. I enjoyed it, and that's all that matters. That'll be my grain for the day. Seems like when I eat whole grains, it bothers my stomach. Hence why I bought the white. That doesn't seem to bother my stomach. And the fiber wasn't jacked, so likely wasn't the best option. I should have probably saved it until later to maybe have a small potato or something more natural, but whatever, it is what it is, and I enjoyed it. I'm just looking forward to seeing how this goes for the week. For those asking, last weigh-in that I didn't post, I basically stayed even. I didn't win? I didn't gain or lose because, first of all, the night before we ate at P.F. Chang's. I had a cocktail and I had soy sauce that I poured on my chicken and broccoli, which you saw in that video on Saturday. Also, I've been doing a lot of exercise and my appetite has increased, so I upped my veggies and such, and anyway, just broke even. Didn't gain or lose. So truthfully, I'm happy about it, but I want to keep losing. So I want to see if this 4-2-1 thing will work, because the exercise is there and I'm going to the gym and things like that. So we'll see. But for now, just going to walk the girls. All right. So after having fuelings today, I'm winding down with dinner. This is a ground turkey burger, 97% lean. Some vegetables that I steamed, and I have 1 tablespoon of cheese sauce. Oh my goodness, that I bought. I showed it in the video the other day. This is from Aldi. It is technically a condiment for 1 tablespoon. So what I did was I took 1 tablespoon out of here and drizzled it on top of those veggies. And guys, oh my gosh, that's all I can tell you. It is delicious. It tastes like the cheese sauce you get at Chipotle. Morning, everyone. Starting the day off with a Lean & Green. This is the sandwich thins by Arnold. I think they are delicious, and I'm hoping they don't irritate me at all. But here's the macros for one, in case you're interested. I am going to make an egg sandwich, so let's get that started. All right, so in my frying pan here, I have 1 whole egg and 2 egg whites. some fresh baby spinach, and 2 little white button mushrooms chopped up inside. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, fold it over and letting it cook. Just enough. And here it is plated up. As you can see, it's piping hot, delicious, and I'm excited to have this. This is, again, eggs, spinach, mushrooms, salt, pepper on one of those little sandwich thins. And as you can see on my plate as well, I have 1, 2, 3, I have 4 little tiny strawberries cut up. I know that this goes against the rules of the 4, 2, and 1, but I am going to enjoy this because I'm going to the gym shortly. We're at the gym. That's right. We are at the gym, making every minute of every day count. Got to get in those steps, got to get in the workout, especially now that I'm having 2 lean greens. And I know you guys may in the comment section start questioning, you know, about the little strawberries, or that the macros for that sandwich thin and the pita from yesterday and things are just not exact. But you know what? I'm fine with it. I'm just going to go with it, feel my body, and get in that workout. I feel like if the macros are off just a little bit, I'm working out. It's okay. I'm burning. That's what I'm doing. And I hope you guys understand, and you know I'm transparent. You know what I'm doing will always be part of my videos and telling you, but I got to up the ante a little bit. I have to get in the exercise that I need. And even though 4, 2, and 1 is good for that, I really don't think having something a little off is going to make or break me at all. In fact, I added up the 4 fuelings, right? So it's roughly a little over 400 calories, and about 60 grams of carbs. If I can finish off the Optavia food that I inherited, and I might just do like a breakfast, lunch, dinner. Obviously 2 lean greens and a lean green for lunch. So that would be like 3 lean greens, and that would be like eating normal food. I don't know. I'm so torn. If you've been following me for a long time, you know several years ago, I was in the best shape of my life. I lost the weight. I was training in the gym really hardcore, getting ready for that fitness competition. Like, I was muscular and fit and strong, and I want to be there again. And the only way to do that is obviously hitting the gym and to eating right. When I was training in the gym for that competition, I was on a meal plan given to me by my fitness coach, and it wasn't Optavia. It was meals calculated specifically for what I was doing in the gym. So carbs before training, protein and a little bit of carb after training, BCAAs, all my supplements, all of those things. And I was looking back at those videos and I was like, you know, I felt so damn good. And it has just been a struggle. And I want to feel like that again. And since I'm not working, do I have any excuses? I don't. I could come to the gym whenever I want. I could do whatever I want. There's absolutely no excuse. I'm not even stressed out. Like, I'm sleeping good. I'm feeling good. And I want that to reflect on the outside. I want to hit the gym hard and work out and train and come out here sweaty and go home and shower and get dressed and feel good about myself. Anyway, that's where I'm headed. I'm just spewing to you how I feel and what I desire and the steps that I'm taking to make it happen. So I'm almost done with the box that I got. I mean, I'm on week 4. I only have, I think, 2 boxes. I have 1 bar box and 1 shake box left. I may, like I said, I don't know yet. I don't know, because I did get, one of my old clients had sent me some fuelings of hers that she didn't want anymore. I have that set aside because I want to see if I finish this and go the route I'm thinking of going, with possibly you know, because I don't want to spend the money on another box of food if I don't have to, right? Because I inherited this. It was like free food for me. I don't want to spend the money on a box of food. And so with that being said, what's wrong with, I don't know. Like, you know what I want. It's no secret. I share my life with you guys. Not working and having so many doors open up for me lately and opportunities and lots of stuff happening. I just feel like that universe is telling me something, and this may be my time. I know there's ways to do this. I know the macros. I know the whole Optavia gamut. I mean, I can figure it out if I have to without doing fuelings, or I don't know. I don't know. You know, when you're working and you have a really nice income, it's very doable. But when you are not, and you are relying on one spouse, my husband, to carry us through, you know, which he can do, I am grateful, but I feel bad for the added stress for him. I don't want him to be stressed. And so I have to use my time wisely. There's a lot of things coming down the pipe for you guys. Big surprises, huge news, huge. Probably the biggest news of my entire life besides having children and getting married. Coming to you soon. I can't talk about it right now, but I'm telling you, that minute I can do it, I will tell you everything, and you guys are going to fall over and be floored. I know you guys. I wish I could tell you. I'm going to go do some cardio and some weights. I have my giant thing of water here. It's time for me to get inside. There's lots of people going in, and I don't like to train when it's crazy busy. And I'll see you back in my truck after the workout.
Lately I've come to realize that I can see it in your eyes, so it's true. I'm so glad you feel it too. Nothing to hide.
Guys, workout is done. Did an hour of cardio. Might go back later and do weights. I don't know, I was feeling a little woozy. I think I pushed myself, but that's good because that's the goal. All right, so let's get home and I'll see you over there. Okay, guys, I got home, made this beautiful chopped salad. I was just really in the mood for a chopped salad, so here it is. Lettuce, cucumber, 3 colored peppers, mushrooms, tuna, a little bit of light mayo, and some pickles over a big chopped bed of lettuce. And I did do 2 tablespoons of the G. Hughes dressing. And I decided to have my second lean ingredient, if you will. Likely also going to have some dinner tonight. I don't know. We'll see what happens, but I will keep you posted as the day goes on. Moving on, after that, I decided to have a Proffee, which is protein coffee. So a little bit of iced coffee, and I did about 1/4 of a container of the Premier Protein, the caramel flavor. Absolutely delicious. I enjoyed this so much, and as the day went on, the hunger was really at bay. All right, so last meal, Jess and I are heading out. This is a delicious meal. Ground turkey, 93% lean. Some of those veggie noodles that I'll show you the bag shortly. 1/4 cup of the tomato sauce that I got at Aldi that I showed you in my grocery haul. Here's what the noodles look like. Healthy noodle. These are courtesy of Costco. Sugar-free, fat-free. I believe it's 30 calories per serving. There are 2 servings in the bag. So here it is all plated up, and this is the sauce. Simply Nature Organic Tomato and Basil. And this is going to be dinner. I did not have all of the fuelings in between. Oh, and here's the macros just in case you're curious. I did not have the rest of the fuelings for the day. I just decided to have one, and this is my last meal. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. How good does that look? Okay, so here is about 3 servings worth of food. So I am just going to pick at it a little bit. The pasta, as you can see, is made out of a veggie. So technically it's green and only 30 calories a serving. ground turkey and the tomato sauce, and I also threw in a couple of mushrooms. So this is going to be my third meal. I decided to forego the other 3 fuelings and have this instead. Feeling really good. Jess and I are about to head out, so I'm gonna eat this real quick. And I guess, I don't know, you're not gonna wanna see tonight. It's probably not appropriate for the channel. I mean, it is, but it's not. So we'll leave it here because the video is quite long. I'm gonna go eat and I will see you tomorrow. And remember, we can do this. Yes, we can, as long as we do it together. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah! Bye, guys.